Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to set your Telegram channel notifications to low priority so you can stay updated without constant interruptions. If you're part of multiple Telegram channels, you already know how overwhelming notifications can get. The good news is Telegram gives you full control over how alerts appear, and lowering the priority is a great way to reduce distractions while still staying informed. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, tap the menu icon in the top corner or tap your profile icon depending on your version of the app. Next, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts behave across chats, groups, and channels. Now, look for the channel option and tap on it. This will open the notification settings specifically for Telegram channels. From here, tap on More Options to access additional controls that aren't visible on the main screen. Next, tap on Priority. This setting determines how prominently your notifications appear on your device. Finally, choose Low. Once selected, Telegram will reduce the visibility and urgency of channel notifications. This means fewer interruptions while still keeping the updates accessible whenever you need them. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've made your Telegram experience much calmer and more manageable. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more Telegram tips to customize your notifications even further and take full control of your app experience.